guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. I feel like May went by a lot quicker than April, but we are already at the end of the month. Well, actually I'm posting towards the end of the month. I'm actually posting this June 1st. Anyway, I feel like May went by pretty quickly. Part of that might be because where I live, things are starting to open up. So, going more places might also, pass the time quicker. But regardless, it is the time for my monthly favorites. So if you're excited to see what I've been loving in May, make sure you keep on watching. First up, I want to talk about this shirt. I know I've mentioned it in this video before, but this is an American Eagle shirt. I love everything about this shirt. I love how soft it is. I love that I got it on sale. I love the cut. I love the color. I think it's really cute and flattering. Next up, I want to talk about what I'm using to tan my face. I don't use this every single day. This is the Jergens Natural Glow Face Daily Moisturizer. It has sunscreen in it and it says it's for medium to tan skin tones. Which obviously I'm like fairly fair-skinned, but I don't think that it looks unnatural. And like I said, I don't use it every single day. I alternate between using that and then I also use the Cetaphil, however you want to pronounce that, moisturizer that also has sunscreen in it. I love that this is, fairly affordable. You can get it at the drugstore. The Jergens one, you can get the Cetaphil one at a drugstore as well. But the drugstore one, I love that it is affordable. I think that, it gives your face like a nice little tan as well. And I especially also love that it has sunscreen in it as well. So that is another favorite. And then I have also another moisturizer to mention. This is from Philosophy. This is specifically the Purity Made Simple moisturizer. I've mentioned this before. I've actually been using this moisturizer for quite a long time. This is not, my first bottle that I've been using, but as you can see, I've almost used this one up. This is my nighttime moisturizer. I've obviously used other nighttime moisturizers as well, but I do really like this one because it is nice and lightweight. And I've just been using it for a long time. Next up is something that I've also mentioned on my channel, but it is these hair ties. This is specifically from the brand Invisibobble. This is a set of 6, so it comes with the this shade one, and it also comes with, it comes with 3 ones that are this color, and then it comes with 3 clear ones. This is what the one looks like if you haven't used it before, and then obviously it does stretch out over time, but you can still, this is still one that I use. I got these hair ties in a FabFitFun, one of the FabFitFuns in the past. I don't know, I really like them. I like them so much more than the original hair ties, the old fashioned, however you want to say that, hair ties that I had been using. I think that these work really well. I mostly use these for whenever I put my hair in a bun. I've also started putting my hair in a ponytail, which is something that I didn't do for the longest time. In case you were curious, now you know. And I just really like these and I highly recommend them. The items that I have mentioned, if I can find them, I will link them in the description box. So once again, I will link those in the description box down below so you can check those out. The next items that I have to mention kind of go in a set. It is these 3 items for the 500th time. If you are new to my channel, you haven't heard me say this, but if you've seen any of my previous videos, I feel like you might know where I'm going with this. I have really bad dark under eyes. I think I just have really bad dark circles. So this is what I use to cover them up. Currently what I'm using, I use the Tarte Shape Tape. I have this shade Fair Light Neutral, specifically 16N in case you were wondering. I love this. I have mentioned it several times. It's been in favorites in the past, I'm pretty sure, but this concealer just does such a great job for covering up dark under eyes, I find, and it needed to be mentioned again. Then to set that, I've been using the Revolution Banana Light Baking Powder. I just really like this and especially love using this Alamar brush. This is specifically the brightening brush. This brush comes in a trio. I will link it down below, but last I checked, I don't think that this is sold separately. That just might be me not being able to find it, but I will link the trio where you can buy 3 of them because I also use the other brushes that come in that trio and I also like them as well. But this is just so soft and gentle and I like the shape of it. I think it does a good job for, just really setting your under eyes, and that is my favorite. I guess you would, call these little things a trio. Big fan of covering up my dark circles. This is what I've been primarily using. This is quite possibly the quickest favorites video that I have, but I hope you still liked it. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Also, I think that you like this video right here. I'll leave it linked for you. Just click right here to go check that out. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.